to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and then hit the bell button so you never miss from us. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sky here. So in today's video, I'm going to be opening these blind bags, these animal blind bags, which is basically like squishies inside blind bags, squishmallows, both are the same, right? And so yeah, I'm really excited to open these. So I have my scissors right here. So let's open it. Okay. Okay. So what is this? Okay, we can open this later. So this is a checklist. Okay, checklist. Oh, we can get one. Oh, okay. So there's a Millie right here, which is a cat and it's a rare. And there's Mrs. Angel, which is a penguin and it's ultra rare. Mimi, which is a cow and it's legendary. Oh, it looks like a unicorn. It's Jazzy and it's a unicorn. Mega legendary. And lastly, it's a bunny, which is Hoppy and it's an epic. Ooh. So first, we're going to open this. Let me cover this so you guys can see. So let's open it. Okay, we're going to open it. What is in there? I wonder what's in there. What do you guys think is in there? Let's open. It's bunny ears. So this is bunny. I love bunnies. Wait, that's an epic. Bunny's an epic. Let's take it out and stick it to the bunny. Oh, looks so cute. Doesn't this look cute, guys? So cute. Let's go check. Whoa. It's so cute. Okay, let's go to the next one. So what do you guys think is in there? I'm going to show you guys the checklist one more time. I don't know what will be in there. I have a feeling that will be the cow, Mimi. Okay, let's open it. Yay! So open. Okay, let's just take this out. It's a question mark again. So open. Okay, what is that? It's cat ears. Oh, it's cat. It's a cat. It's a cat. It's Mimi. I mean, no, Millie. It's Millie. Yeah, Millie. Yay! Millie looks cute. So this is where you're supposed to go. And then this ear is supposed to go right over here. Oh, it looks so cute, Millie. Squish, squish, squish. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Look at the face, it's so cute. And the nose is pink. Aww. Okay, let's go in the last one. I'm excited for the last one. What do I think will be in here? I'm pretty sure I won't get Mimi or Jazzy because they're legendary. I mean, I thought that I would get Mimi last time, but I think it's going to be Mrs. Angel. So I'm excited. So, cut. Oh, cut. Okay, I'm not going to see what is in there. Oh. I guess I gotta cut it again then. Okay. So I'm not gonna look what is in there. I'm just gonna. Okay, I got the question mark. So let's open it! Yay! Okay, open. Okay, what is in there? Oh my god. It won't open. Okay, there. Wait, what? Angel. Yes, I was right. It's Mrs. Angel. Okay, so I'm supposed to put this here. Oh, let's see. Okay, I'm supposed to put this over here. Okay? And this right over here. Oh, that looks so cute. Oh, Mrs. Angel is so cute. Okay, so here is all of them. So this is Poppy. This is Millie. And this is Mrs. Angel. Millie is a rare again, rare. And Poppy epic. And ultra rare. Ultra rare, epic, and yeah. These are so cute. What is your guys' favorite? Comment down below what's your favorite. Mine is Lily, because I love cats. They're my favorite. But I also like Poppy and Mrs. Angel. So comment down below what is your guys' favorite. So we also have to tick. Okay, let's tick. So I did get Millie, so let's tick on Millie. And I did get Mrs. Angel too, so let's tick on that. And I got Hoppy, yay. Let's tick on Hoppy. So here's Hoppy, here's Mrs. Angel, and Millie. So these are so adorable. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumbs up, stay positive, text negative,